Hello and welcome to the Ingles table. I'm Michael McMurtry, food stylist for Ingles Markets. Today I'm excited to help you bring a taste of fall to your kitchen table. I'm here in Abby J's kitchen and I'm about to make something with autumnal flavors that's just waiting to be enjoyed. I'm gonna make my cherry crunch granola. We're gonna start off with some rolled oats, and then I've got 4 different types of seeds and nuts to put in. I have some blanched almonds, I have some pecans, some raw cashews, and some raw pepitas or pumpkin seeds. We're putting all that in, and we're gonna mix that with some cinnamon, some nutmeg, a little bit of brown sugar, and one of the most important things is salt. The salt will bring out the sweetness of all the nuts and the fruits and everything that we're going to put in here. Mix this up real well, and then we're going to add in another bowl, we have maple syrup, we have melted coconut oil, and we have some vanilla, about a teaspoon. I'm going to mix that up just like that, and then combine it all together. Now you want to mix this up and get it super combined. You want to make sure every single piece has some of this liquid on it. That's what's going to make everything taste great. Now, one of the things great about granola is you can have it like for cereal in the morning, but if you look over here, you can see how you can make like a yogurt parfait with it. You can just put it out for a snack. You can put it over some vanilla ice cream. It's really versatile. You can take it out on a hiking trip. All right, so this is all mixed up. We have a lined baking sheet. You need to line it on with the parchment paper. Put this out here. I'm not gonna put all of it. I wanna make sure that it's all gonna fit. We wanna get a layer at about, I don't know, about a half of an inch. You don't want to have any holes in here. You want it all to be mashed together on a single layer, because some of the best parts of granola are the little chunks of it. You want it to break apart and get some little chunks. And you'll do that if you mash it together like this. And then you're going to put it into a 375-degree oven for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you're going to take it out, mix it up, press it down again, go another 10 minutes, mix it up, press it down again, and when it comes out, you're gonna let it sit for at least an hour till it's completely cool. It's gonna crisp up and harden as it cools. And once that's done, you can break it apart. You can add some dried cherries to it. You could add some shredded coconut if you want. And there you have it. That's all there is to making this granola. Make sure that you play around with this. You can change the seasonings. If you don't want to use cinnamon, you could use pumpkin pie spice. You could add a little bit of cayenne if you want to add some heat to it. You can change up the dried fruit, change up the nuts, maybe try some pistachios. This is just a basic place for you to start and have fun with. And there you have it. Give it a try. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it as much as I do. And while you're here, explore the rest of the site for more great tips, tricks, and recipes. Happy fall.